Welcome. This is the first in a series of how to navigate your child's patient portal through southlakepediatrics.com. The first thing we're going to show you is just the basics of how to log in. Once you're on our home screen, simply select the patient portal feature. From there, you're going to click on View Your Health Records. We give you two different ways that you're able to log in. You can either use your credentials that were first given to you when you created your portal, or you have the option to use your mobile phone, which we'll get to in a moment. But first, let's start with user credentials. Simply type in your child's first name, last name, and full year of birth. Then, either key in the password that was first given to you, or if you've made yours up, go ahead and key that one in. And then hit login. From there, you should see the main page of our patient portal, which we'll get to in one of our upcoming videos as to what exactly is on here and how to navigate each of these boxes. But if you'd prefer to use the mobile option, let's take a look at how you can log in that way. Again, go to View Your Health Records, only this time click Using Mobile Phone. From there, you're going to enter in your child's first name, last name, and entire birth date. Then, once you click Submit, you're going to have the options of the phone number that you can select. As long as your phone number is either the primary or the secondary number in our chart, you will be able to get a text message verification code sent to you. So simply select the phone number that best fits with the one that you need at the moment. Then hit Send Code. Don't worry though, sometimes it can take just a few minutes for that code to come through. Once you get it, simply key in both the letters and the numbers that are given to you. And hit login. Again, you'll see it brings you right back to the main page of the patient portal. Hopefully this helps you navigate how to log in